In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for Python programming. Quick and easy, 2025. We'll go from opening Replit to running code, using built-in AI assistance, previewing your work, and publishing it, all in a simple flow. Start on the Replit homepage. From here, choose the App option to begin a new project. You'll be prompted to pick an app type. Select the general option to start with a clean, flexible template that works great for Python. If you see general more than once, simply confirm the same choice so your environment is set correctly. Next, look for the highlighted field and give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later. Confirm the highlighted prompts to create the workspace. This sets up your editor on the left, your files in the sidebar, and a console or preview area on the right. If you want extra guidance while you code, open Google Gemini in a new tab. It's helpful for quick prompts, explanations, or brainstorming ideas. You can ask for small Python snippets, debugging tips, or suggestions on how to structure a simple script. Keep your questions specific and bring the answers back into Replit. When your workspace is ready, click Start to spin up the environment. You can write Python in main.py or whichever file is open. Use short, testable chunks of code and run them often to catch issues early. For AI-assisted development inside Replit, open the agent chat. This is great for making, testing, and iterating without leaving your project. You can switch modes depending on what you need. Move from build to plan when you want to think through requirements, or from plan back to build when you're ready to implement. Use the ask questions. Plan your work area to outline tasks, break down features, or request step-by-step guidance. Click Plan to organize your approach, then switch back to Make, Test, Iterate to continue coding with suggestions and quick fixes. Tip: reference specific files and functions in your messages so the agent can be precise. As your code runs, check the Preview panel. Click through the menus to verify the interface and open the About section to review basic project details. When you're ready to share, choose Publish. Fill in the fields. Replit highlights, such as title and a short description, and confirm any visibility or category choices shown. Finally, select Publish your app to go live. Copy the link. Replit provides so others can try it right away. That's it. You've created, iterated, previewed, and published a Python app on Replit. Quick and easy.